Once again, but there'll be some rain in many parts of the country as well. Now, once again today, it's been the west where you've enjoyed most of the sunshine. A good deal of cloud across the north and the east, but that cloud really has been a bit thinner than it's been just recently, so it's felt quite bright, I think, and maybe a touch warmer as well, or less cool perhaps. Now, it's a gloriously sunny end to the day in many central, southern and western parts of the country. Temperatures are barely into double figures. That cloud thick enough to give the odd shower still across the north of Scotland, also the odd one fringing eastern coasts of England too. That ridge of high pressure is going to stay with us throughout the night. It means one thing really, it means it's going to turn very clear and cold. Much of the cloud that's with us at the moment is quite tenuous. I think it'll tend to thin out and break up once again tonight, so we're going to find it does turn fairly cold with a touch of frost as far south as about Cambridgeshire, and temperatures maybe as low as -1 to -3 degrees as you head across the north up through Scotland there. A touch of frost into Northern Ireland, around the coast many places there staying a few degrees above freezing, and certainly much milder in the southwest here, around about 5 degrees. On the tip of southwest England and the Channel Islands too. That ridge of high pressure is with us tomorrow, but the weather systems are then beginning to approach from the southwest, so we're going to find cloud and drizzly rain not too far away from Cornwall, even first thing in the morning. But for many parts, albeit a chilly start, it'll be a bright start, lots of sunshine around, although I think during the day over northern Scotland it will tend to cloud over with some showery bursts of rain to come there. Also, we'll find this thickening cloud and some drizzly rain approaching southwest England into Dyfed and also Northern Ireland come the end of the afternoon or about this time, but many other places staying fine, bright and a bit warmer too. It should feel that bit warmer on the east coast where we might even reach double figures just for a change. I think 13 or 14 degrees being the best on offer, the mid-50s Fahrenheit down through the Midlands into East Wales. But then tomorrow night you'll find that thickening cloud and drizzly rain pushing up across many southwestern parts into Northern Ireland too, but again a touch of frost likely further east. Things do begin to change over the weekend. You can see these weather systems then making inroads across the country, pushing northeastwards all the time, but it'll be a slow process, and for some areas not a great deal of rain to come, I wouldn't think, especially further east. A bright start on Saturday then, but outbreaks of rain pushing up across many central, southern and western parts during the day, and on Sunday that rain continuing in the north and the west.